Okay, I'm not going to be on camera this time because this is a quick tip, but this is a problem that I've been recently having with Adobe Premiere, and I think it happened after I just recently updated it a couple weeks ago. So for some projects, I open it up and I get this little message. A low-level exception has occurred. Okay, so, and what does that do? Well, it makes it so that I can't see any of the images here. I can hear everything when I play it, but I can't see any of the images at all. Okay, so what do? Well, this is a simple fix. Just go up to File, okay, go down to Project Settings, then you go to General. Okay, then you look under your video rendering and playback. Okay, and down here you go under renderer. This is the setting that I'm at here, but I'm gonna change it to this one. Mercury Playback Engine Software Only, okay? So this is the one that you need to pick. And then you go down and click OK. And that's it. Fixes the problem. So I hope that helps you guys. If you would like to see more tips, please feel free to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you guys have comments, I would really love to hear from you. If you're wanting to see some behind the scenes footage, you can go to my Instagram page to check that out. You can also go to my website at asiavickersglobalmedia.com for some references and resources and recommended equipment. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you soon.